Okay. We have growing pains on the farm. It was kind of an impulse deal, kind of something we've thought about for a while. And then it came up, and then I pulled the trigger, and then I kind of just went, was that a mistake? I ordered 125 roosters to be treated as meat birds. It is April 1st. This is not a trick. This is reality. I have about 12 days to figure something out. Yeah, we're going to see how this goes. I have a plan. I have a whole bunch of pallet racking. I have the cross members for the pallet racking that I have not used as many as I have the uprights. So my cross members are going to be construction material. In my head, I am thinking I need to build a mobile chicken tractor that is somewhat self-powered. I would like to make it so it can kind of lift off the ground and be moved maybe by engine or tractor. I don't know. I would like to be able to steer it somehow. That's my goal. That's my plan. I've got some old truck rear ends. I've got a brand new Predator engine that I've never used. It's still pretty much in the packaging. I got that in 2018. And I have a lot of just random materials. I've got some greenhouse hoops. And I have some thin gauged metal, and I have some Lexan plastic, and I have some fencing. So this is kind of just going to be, let's see what happens. I tried doing some bar stool engineering on a napkin last night, and it didn't get very far. So hopefully you are watching me build a chicken coop by now. I'm doing a little voiceover, and I'm doing the voice thing before I do the build thing. So I've got all these plans in my head, and let's see where they go.